Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Emilie.McKennon, and I'm at Guaranty RV. We are located right off of the Highway 99 here in Junction City, Oregon. It is between Corvallis and Eugene, so please come out and see us. It's a beautiful country drive, and today I'm going to give you a brief description overview of the 37.1 Miramar. This is a Thor Motor Coach, and this is a 2020 model. Let's come on inside. This is a great family floor plan. This is a bunk model. Okay, so to start out, we are on a V10 Ford engine, Triton motor. You do have your electronic leveling system right there, and it's very, very convenient to access as the driver. You can level them manually, just one by one, if you're feeling like that's how you like to do it, or you can hit all level and all your jacks will just kind of go down at once, and it's super easy. As the passenger here, I've got a really great desk. I can do my reading, have some lunch, have a drink with me if I'd like, and I still have a great view of everything that's going down the road next to me, and so that's a really great feature. I really like that. Plus I have these USB or these 12-volt batteries. So what I like about this floor plan, one of the things that I like about this floor plan is the oversized booth. Again, as I said, this was a bunk model. It's a great family floor plan if you're looking for a motorhome that's under 40 feet. That's great for a family. This booth, you can really seat up to a good 6 people if you need to. You've got a couple holders here in the back, a couple cup holders. This does make down into a bed. Moving along, this does pull out into a full-size bed as well, with wonderful cabinets up atop. Nice big beautiful window. You've got your fireplace here, an electric fireplace, television for easy viewing, and everybody can watch at the same time. Nice big floor space. And here, going to the kitchen, you've got 2 gas burners, and then you've got an induction cooktop, which uses magnets to kind of do its heating, and it's actually a really, really great innovation they've come out with that they've put in motorhomes. They're doing it more and more now. Very easy, very safe as well. Tons of storage in the kitchen. Lots of nice big drawers. And then up top too, you have all of your cabinets up here. This does come with solar, and I'll show you where to control that in just a minute. This is a true convection microwave oven. Nice and big, so you can do all of your cooking, or if you just want to pop some popcorn, you can do that as well. Heat up some soup, reheat your coffee. Real quick, back over here. Woo! Real quick, back over here, we've got a bunk right up top. This pulls down electronically, and you can have that as another sleeping area as well. Okay. Going over here, we do have your bunk beds here, and these are adjustable, so if you don't have the kids with you, let me do some lights here. If you don't have the kids with you, what you can do is put this up, lock this in place, and you've actually got this rail here, and now you've got an enormous closet. Or if you spoil your dog like most people, this can also be your doggy sleeping area. This is a multiplex system. This is a really great feature to have in a coach. You can control all of your lighting from this one spot. I can control my tank levels. I can see where my battery is at and everything. I can control my fans, my slide outs, and my temperature, everything like that. So really great feature to have, very handy. Nice big bathroom, 3-piece bathroom on this side. This is another great thing about this coach, is that it has 2 showers. So again, everybody's fighting about the shower. You've got 2 of them, one here and one in the back bathroom as well. Okay, here we've got a nice full-size, king-size bed with windows on either side. Here we've got space for a combo washer and dryer. And then we've got some good closet space here. Television in the master bedroom, and then some shelving here as well. You got plenty of drawer space down below. And then here, this is the master bedroom, bathroom. Lots of great counter space, tons of storage, plus there's that second shower. Let's make our way outside and I will show you the storage. Real quick, by the way, this is where, right here in the stairwell, is where you would keep track of your solar power. You can control it from here and just see how well it's keeping up on your batteries, how well it's charging your batteries. On the outside, this is a nice full body paint. You've got your outside television here, beautiful full automatic armless awning. And then you've just got a ton of storage space down below. I'm going to open up these first three, and there's tons more. You've got an onboard generator. You've got a doggy leash place right here. That's a place to tie up your dog. So again, just family friendly all around. And if you want to see more on this coach, I encourage you to come out and check out all the storage bays for yourself and test drive it, get behind the wheel. It's a really easy, very quiet drive. Please come out and check it out. My name is Emilie.McKennon, and until I see you next time, enjoy the road.